Hi guys, welcome to this new video friends. As you can see, I'm here with my mom and I'm going to be doing a DIY kinky curly wig, showing you how I made this wig for my mom. So I'm going to be using this hair from Remy Blue. I did a video about it recently in the previous video that I've uploaded. So I'm going to be using a closure and two of the bundles. So first things first, we're going to get the lace closure in position. So you can see me just fixing it in position in the front, and then using the needle, I'm tacking it in one corner. So I'm going to tack it first in the left hand corner and then sew along the side, work my way to the back and then the other side. So this side's done, I'm going to go and do the same on the other side. So starting with the first bundle, we're going to cut it open and then just prepare the hair to start sewing it from the back. So joining two of the tracks together, I'm just sewing the tracks together and then I'm going to proceed to sew it in the back of the hair as the first track. So the first track has been sewn. I'm not going to cut the hair, but rather I'm just going to go back on myself and then sew the next track above the one that's already done. So it depends on you how full you want the hair as to how much distance you leave from the previous track. But as I mentioned in the previous video, I knew my mom wouldn't want a very full wig, so I did leave a reasonable amount of space. So when I reached this corner, I did the same thing as before. Rather than cutting the hair, I went back on myself and sewed in the same fashion. At this point, I'm not doing anything special, just literally sewing down a few stitches, leaving a bit of space, sewing down, leaving a bit of space and repeating the whole process throughout. So at this point, that's one pack of hair used, and I'd say I'm about halfway done. So I'm opening the second pack of the hair and then literally repeating the same process as before. So I'm starting in the same way as before, getting the two corners of the hair together, tacking them together and then sewing it into the head. So we're making progress, almost done. You can see there's a little bit more of a gap to be filled. So I continued in the same way. When I got nearer to the top, I did cut the hair actually, just so I could make the tracks neater, so to speak, because at this point I wasn't really going corner to corner, I was just closing in on the gap that was left. So that's the hair completed. I'm going to go ahead and just release the closure part that I had tied up to get out of my way in the beginning. I'm just using my fingers to run through the hair, and then at the very end what we're going to go on and do is just cut the net, the hair net, which is underneath the closure. So obviously we don't need the hair net as well as the closure, so we're just going to get rid of the black part only. So just gently cut the black net away, making sure you don't cut the closure underneath. And tada, the wig is finally complete. So just to show you, this is just the remaining of the hair that was left, so not much. The next thing is to condition the hair, so using warm water, just a small bit in the sink, by mixing herbal essences conditioner with the water and then putting the hair into this mixture. So this makes the hair smell really nice as the conditioner smells. It also gets rid of the original composition that your hair comes in, you know, that really like new fresh look. So this just gets rid of it all and allows the hair to just sit together and sit nicely. So I normally do this with new hair that I get, or new wigs when I first make them. So this is the hair after the conditioning treatment, and then next I'm going to go on to sew on the elastic band onto the wig. So I'm using a thick or thicker elastic band and then just sewing it in both corners of the lace frontal. Next I am cutting the lace off and then gonna style it on my mum's hair. So just gently cutting the lace. And this is the final look, guys. So as soon as I finished cutting the lace, I put it straight on my mum's hair, and I must say she did love it. She actually loved it. See her smiling away, throwing up peace signs. So just a few pictures showing you again the hair when I just installed it on my mum's head. And then again, there she goes, showing off her new hair, loving it. She's singing in Yoruba and dancing and praising me, you know. She actually loved it. So me and mum are basically looking like twins now. Show them your curly hair, yes! Show them your curly hair, yes!